In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Bing as your default search engine. We'll do this in Google Chrome, and I'll guide you through each click so it's simple and clear. Start by opening Chrome on your computer. Look to the top right corner of the window for the three vertical dots, sometimes called the More menu. Click that, then choose Settings from the menu that appears. This opens Chrome's main settings page, where you control things like privacy, appearance, and search. In the Settings sidebar, find and select the section labeled Search Engine. Depending on your version of Chrome, this may appear directly in the sidebar or near the top as a category. Once you're in the search engine area, look for the option called Search Engine used in the address bar. This setting controls what Chrome uses when you type a search directly into the address bar, also known as the Omnibox. Open the drop-down menu and choose a different search engine you prefer, such as Google or DuckDuckGo. The moment you select it, Chrome switches your default, so any future searches from the address bar will go through that provider instead of Bing. This change doesn't affect your bookmarks or your browsing history. It just updates where your searches are sent. If you want to go a step further and remove Bing from the list of available options, stay in the same search engine section and click Manage Search Engines. In some versions, this is labeled Manage Search Engines and Site Search, but it takes you to the same place. You'll see a list of search engines that Chrome knows about. Find Bing in that list, click the three dots next to it, and choose Delete if that option is available. Chrome only allows deleting a search engine when it isn't set as the default, so changing the default first is important. If you already switched away from Bing, you should now be able to remove it cleanly. Keep in mind, if the delete option doesn't appear or is grayed out, that can happen if your browser is managed by an organization or if an extension controls your search settings. In that case, you can still keep your preferred engine as the default and simply ignore Bing in the list. That's all there is to it. You've switched your default search to something you prefer, and you've removed Bing from the list if Chrome allows it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy faster, more personalized searches right from your address bar.